Make sure to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and then grease regular size muffin tin cups. In a medium bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, your flour, baking powder, and salt. In a large bowl, you want to beat your sugar and butter until it's pale in color and cream and fluffy. You want to add in the egg and vanilla and mix. Alternate between adding the flour mixture and the milk. Add 1/3 of the flour and mix, then 1/2 of the milk and mix, then so on and so on. Take your diced apples and lightly fold it into the mixture. Taking your tinfoil cups, assemble it into the muffin pan. Scoop 1/3 cup of the batter into the muffin pans. Lightly top it with the cinnamon and sugar mix. You want to bake the muffins for at least 20 to 25 minutes. And there you have it, apple pie muffins, perfect for the fall time.